guys, welcome back to my channel and happy new week to you all. Thanks for joining me for another CVS deals video. This is the first week of this ad cycle. There are some easy deals you can pick up. Just make sure you're scanning the items in the store with your app. That way you know what coupons or CRTs you have that will make the deals better. If you're just joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and let's go find some deals. Let's start this video with the Purex deal. It's on sale for $9.99 and when you buy one, you'll get $4 back. Pick up one, pay $9.99 and you get 4 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back, making it just $3.99. The next deal I have is on select General Mills cereal. They're on sale for $1.99, no extra care box back. Pick up 2 for a total of $3.98. We have $1 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $2.98. Submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 back when you buy 2. That will end up making them just $1.98 or 99 cents each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get $2 back, and Chips Ahoy family size cookies are part of this deal. They're on sale for $3.99. Pick up 2 for a total of $7.98. Pay the $7.98 and you get $2 back, making them $5.98 or $2.99 each. Select Colgate toothpaste are on sale for $3.99 and when you buy 2, you get $5 back. Pick up 2 Colgate Max Fresh, both will total $7.98. We have a $2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $5.98 and you get 5 back, making them 98 cents or 49 cents each. The next deal I have is on Nivea body wash. They're on sale for buy one get one free, no extra care box back. If you prefer the men body wash, they are priced at $5.99. Pick up 2 $2 off Nivea body wash digital coupon and you pay $3.99 and that will make each body wash just $2. If you'd rather pick up the women body wash, they are priced at $6.99. Pick up 2 and use the $2 off Nivea body wash digital coupon and you pay $4.99, making each body wash just $2.50. Next deal I have is buy 2 get 6 back on any Maybelline cosmetics. Pick up 2 Maybelline baby lifts priced at $6.19 each. Both will total $12.38. Check your app. We have a $4 off extra care coupon that will drop it down to $8.38. And you get 6 back, making them $2.38 or $1.19 each. My next deal is spend 15 get 10 back on Real Technique or Eco Tools cosmetic stores. Pick up 1 Eco Tools brush set priced at $14.99 and that's within the 98% rule for spend 15. So if you're picking up this particular product, make sure your store follows the 98% rule. Pay $14.99 and you get 10 back, making it just $4.99. My next deal is spend 15 get 6 on any Garnier facial care. Pick up 1 Garnier Skin Active Micellar Water priced at $15.99. Use the $3 off Garnier digital coupon and you pay $12.99, get 6 back, making it just $6.99. My next deal is spend 10 get 5 back on any Neutrogena acne care. Pick up the Neutrogena Stubborn Acne Blemish Patch priced at $11.29. Use the $3.50 off Neutrogena digital coupon and you pay $7.79, get 5 back, making it just $2.79. The next deal I have is buy 2 get $4 back on Clairol hair colors. Pick up 2 Clairol textures and tones priced at $8.49 each and both will total $16.98. Use the 6 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $10.98, get 4 back, making it $6.98 for both or $3.49 each. The next deal I have is on L'Oreal Elvive. They're on the deal of buy 2 get $4 back. Pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner priced at $6.29 each. The 2 will total $12.58. Use the 3 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $9.58, get 4 back, making them $5.58 or $2.79 each. Next deal I have is on Garnier Fructis shampoo or conditioner. It's not the best, but if you need it and you have extra care box to spare, then this is your breakdown. They are on sale for $2.49 and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Pick up 2, pay $9 and get 3 back, making them $6 or $3 each. Dove shampoo and conditioner are part of buy 2 get $4 back. Pick up 2 priced at $5.99 each. Both will total $11.98. Pay the $11.98 and get 5 back, making them $6.98 or $3.49 each. My next deal is buy 2 get 3 back on any got2b hair care, and they're on sale for 2 for $12. Pick up 2, pay $12 and get 3 back, making them $9 or $4.50 each. The next deal I have is spend 30 get $10 back, and this deal is a limit of 1 per week per account. And I have 3 options for this deal, so pick whichever one that works for you. The first option is to pick up 2 Tide detergents on sale for $12.99 and 1 Tide pod on sale for $5.49. These 3 items will total $31.47. For the Tide pod, we have a $1.50 digital coupon, and for the detergent, use 2 $3 coupon, 1 from the app and 1 from Coupon 24 app. The 3 coupons will take off $7.50 and you pay $23.97 and get 10 back, making them $13.97 or $4.66 each. The second option I have is to pick up a Gain detergent on sale for $12.99, 1 Gain Flings on sale for $12.99, and 1 Dawn Power Studs on sale for $5.99. The 3 items will total $31.97. Use a $2 digital coupon for the Dawn and a $3 Gain Fling coupon from Coupon 24 app and a $2 Gain coupon from Coupon 24 app. The 3 coupons will take off $7 and you pay $24.97, get 10 back, making them $14.97 or $4.99 each. The third option I have is to pick up 1 Gain fabric softener on sale for $6.99, 1 Downy fabric softener on sale for $6.99, 1 Dawn Power Suds on sale for $5.99, and 2 Tide Pods on sale for $5.49 each. The 5 items will total $30.95. Use a $1.50 off Gain coupon from Coupon 24 app, a $1.50 off Downy coupon from Coupon 24 app, $2 off Dawn digital coupon, 2 $1.50 off Tide coupon, 1 digital and 1 from Coupon 24 app. The 5 coupons will take off $8 and you pay $22.95, get 10 back, making them $12.95 or $2.59 each. Next deal is spend 20 get $5 back. Pick up 1 Scott bar tissue on sale for $9.99 and 1 Scott paper towel on sale for $9.99. The 2 will total $19.98, and that's within the 98% rule for spend 20. So make sure your store follows the 98% rule. That way you get your extra care box. Use a $1 off Scott digital coupon and you pay $18.98, get 5 back, making them $13.98 or $6.99 each. Huggies back diapers are on sale for 2 for $20, and when you spend $20, you get $5 back. Pick up 2 and use the $1 off digital coupon. You pay $19, get 5 back, making them $14 or $7 each. My next deal is spend 30, get $10 back, and Pampers diapers are included in this deal. The big box is on sale for $29.99, and that's within the 98% rule for spend 30. Pick up 1, use the $3 digital coupon, and you pay $26.99, get 10 back, making it just $16.99. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all the support that you all gave me, and I hope this video was helpful and you got something out of it, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.